How to draw a beach umbrella, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a small shape towards the top center of our page. This will look similar to a rectangular shape. Now attached to that shape that we just drew, we're going to want to draw a curved line on each side to make the top of our umbrella. Now once we have those two curved lines drawn, we'll now want to draw the bottom of the umbrella by connecting each side. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Next, on that big inside space of the umbrella, we're going to want to draw two curved lines going up and down to help separate the colors. Nicely done! Next we're going to want to draw the pole of the umbrella, which will be stuck in the sand, and this will also look similar to a rectangular shape. We want to make sure that it's in line with the small shape right above. Now last but not least, before we color, we're going to want to draw the sand around the bottom of our umbrella. This is how to draw a beach umbrella. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Next, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.